Yeah, good evening everyone. Today we'll discuss about one of the famous Java interview question for freshers as well as experienced persons. That is, how does HashMap works internally? So now, uh, as we know, the HashMap stores the data in terms of key value pairs. Uh, so whenever we are creating the object of the HashMap, so it will create the 16 indexes, means the default capacity of the hash map will be 16, so it will create this 16 indexes like this. So it will create the hash map object. Yeah, whenever I created the object of the hash map, it will create the 16 indexes, and each index is a bucket of having multiple jet nodes. So here, now I'll explain how hash map works for put and get methods. uh, for taking the reference of, means in this map object I'm trying to store the four students aggregate marks. Let's say first I'm storing four students here. I'm trying to store four students aggregate marks into this has object. So first I'll store Babu with 89 percentage, and GT with 99%. T got only 68%. Hitesh. Hitesh with 97 percentage. Moksha. With 90. Yeah. So now I'll explain how put method works for this. Means whenever we are trying to insert this data into hash map. So how I'll explain how put method will work. So the internal implementation of the put method will be like this. Give k comma value. So whenever I invoke put method on the hash map by passing key and value, so first what it will do is, first it will calculate the hash of the given key. So first I'm trying to insert Babu aggregate percentage. So that is 89 percentage. So whenever I invoke put method on map object, so it will come to here, and it will calculate the hash of the given key, hash of the Babu. So let's say the hash of the Babu is like one something. So based on this hash value, it will calculate the index of the particular key. So where the n will be capacity of the hash map. Here the capacity is 16, so 16 minus 1. So based on this, it will calculate the index. Let's say the index will be 4. So for first it will calculate the index, and it will try to store the this value entry into this at particular at this index. Yeah, here how it will store is like yeah, yeah, first it will store the key and hash. 1052 16. Then the value of the particular key, that is 89. So later here it will store the reference of the next node. So for now there is no another node for this, so that's the reason this will be null. So it will store here. Yeah, Babu will store at given next 4. Then whenever I am invoking the means whenever I am trying to insert this entry, so same thing it will do. First it will calculate the hash code of the given key. Let's say for Chitti it will be like yeah. For it will let's say for Chitti the index will be 2. It will go to at index number 2 and it will store the data. Key. And let's say the hash code of the Chitti will be like 12563 like this, and value of the Chitti 68, and next node reference, there is no next node for this, so it will be null for now. Okay, let's say whenever I'm trying to insert Hitesh, so it will the put method calculate the index like 4, means here already one entry is available at index number 4. Now how Hitesh will store, like I'll say, it will create one more like node like linked list, and this will, yeah, it will point to this. Yeah, it will store here. Hitesh. Let's say hash code of the Hitesh will be this one, and it will store the 97, and it is not. Next, for this entry, let's say this put method calculate the index of 15, so it will go to index number 15 and it will store the data. Chase hash code and the value none. Yeah, in this way the put method will works in hash map. So now we will check for get method, how get method will work for these entries. Yeah. Whenever I'm invoking the get method on this particular map object by passing the key, same thing. First it will calculate the hash of the particular key, means whenever now I'm trying to check the value of the Babu. So now I will check the hash of this one. So same thing, it will calculate the hash code of the particular key, and later it will calculate the index based on the same algorithm. Hash of n minus 1. So it will calculate the index 4. So now what will it will do? It will go to index number 4, and here it will check with the hash code whether the generated hash code and this hash code both are same or not. So now both are same. Then it will check the key, both keys of the this key and this key both are same or not. So if both are same, then it will return this value. If both are not same, it will return the null value. Then I'm trying to get the value of the chitty. Same thing. It will first it will find out the hash of the chitty, and based on this hash, it will find out the index, and it will go to that particular index. And first, it will check both hash codes are of the given keys same or not, and later it will check the both keys by using the equals method. It will check both keys are equal or not. So uh, if the both keys are equal, then it will return this value. So now I'm trying to get the value of the Hitesh. So here first it will calculate the Hitesh hash code of the Hitesh. The hash code of the Hitesh will be 126562. So based on this, it will calculate the index. The index of the Hitesh is 4. So now it will go to index number 4, and first it will check these two hash codes are same or not. Now this generated hash code for Hitesh is 126562, and these two are not match. So what would we, then it will go to here, and it will check with this hash code whether these two hash codes are same or not. So if these two are matching, then it will calculate, it will check by using the equals method. It will check whether these two keys are same or not. So if these two keys are same, then it will return this null value, this value of this particular key. So like this, the hash code will works for put and get methods. Okay, yeah, that's all about this session. So thank you.